let's turn to that big moment that we saw on the podium earlier. DAZN will be exclusively broadcasting the Club World Cup final this Sunday between Chelsea and Paris Saint-Germain, and the network celebrated this moment by ringing the opening bell here at the stock exchange, as we showed you earlier. Joining me now with more is Pete Oliver, Growth Markets CEO for DAZN. Pete, welcome.
Hi, great to be here.
Yeah, it's great to have you indeed. How big is it for your business to secure coverage of these games?
It's a really big moment for us. So it's the first time there's been a tournament like this from FIFA available on one platform globally. We're making all the games available free in over 200 markets around the world. So really big proof point for us as the home of sport.
It's amazing. So for our viewers watching who want to know how they can access DAZN, what would you tell them?
It's really easy. You can download the app from any app store, watch it on a smart TV, smartphone, any streaming device. And the best thing for this is you can sign up for free. So you can watch, you've been able to watch all of the Club World Cup games for free, and of course, the final this weekend.
Amazing. And what went into that strategy to offer these games for free?
Well, for us, it was about delivering a massive global audience. So we've literally had tens of millions of people sign up around the world. There is a premium version of the product as well, which many fans have chosen to take with better picture quality, less ads. But for us, it's really about building that huge audience around the world who, from soccer fans, which actually is the biggest sport in the world, soccer. So very, very good for us.
Soccer, very big indeed. Now, I know our viewers are wondering what else they might be able to find on DAZN. What can you tell them, Pete?
Well, a huge amount of content, actually. We, as well as soccer, we have boxing. We're the home of boxing globally. We also, for anyone traveling outside of the US, we're the home of the NFL. We have all 15 NFL games each week available on DAZN everywhere in the world, apart from here in the US. Great if you're traveling. And then, across Europe, we have the big soccer leagues. In Japan, we have baseball. We really, if you think of a major sport, it's available somewhere in the world on DAZN.
As the Growth Markets CEO, how do you want to grow DAZN in the future?
Well, we see a big change in the industry at the moment. We're seeing a lot more sports wanting to be distributed globally, and we're able to do that. Our partnership with the NFL is a great example of where that's working really well for us. So we think of ourselves as a tech platform as much as a media company. We're now able to work with the big leagues and really give them that international distribution on a scale they couldn't do before with one platform.
Amazing. Any new sports that we can expect to see on DAZN in the coming months?
Well, here in the US, we've just announced that we have Champions League rights in Spanish and Serie A, so more soccer coming here in the US. We've also expanded our soccer coverage across the world with things like La Liga highlights and a number of other major leagues. So more soccer to follow the Club World Cup, but there's always a few surprises in store, so look out. Anything
in store for the World Cup next year?
Well, we're very excited about that. We've obviously got this big partnership with FIFA, so look out maybe for some announcements on the World Cup shortly, and great that it'll be back here in the US.
That's the best tease. We're going to leave it there. Pete Oliver, Growth Markets CEO at DAZN. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you very much.